Hi everyone, welcome back to Max Electronics. In today's video we will be looking at this disposable vape. Now in any way I am advertising it, I don't recommend smoking vapes. This video is purely about electronics and what's inside of it. So stick around and we'll see what's inside. So here is the vape, and I haven't opened it yet. It is finished, so if I try to vape, you can see this blue light flashing, which is apparently indicating that it's flat. Now I've noticed that's where you suck, obviously, and there is a little tiny thing on the side. Let me find it. Oh, right here is what actually lets the air in. So bin disposable, I think it's still got lithium battery inside, and that's interesting that, you know, you just throw it away. It seems pretty good. So I have tried, you can't obviously twist it open. I've tried a few different ways. So I'm gonna have to try, oh there we go, hang on. That was easier than I thought. So we've got a little foam bit. Oh, I can smell the flavor, which is supposed to be an energy drink. So we've got that little thing. We've got a rubber there. Let's see if we can pull this out. There we go. So here's the rubber thing. We've got another, I think that may be the flavor. Oh yeah, that's definitely the flavor. So it's just like your permanent marker. It's just this foam soaked with a flavor. We can see a little heating element inside. I'll just put that here. And it looks like it's still got flavor in it. That yellow stuff would be the flavor. And I can smell it. Smells like an energy drink. The inside we've got this tube there. So I'm going to try to get that out and see if I'll succeed. Okay, it's got a heating element attached to the tube. I can see little wires there, so I may have to try popping this side open. Yeah, there we go. So that side contains a little sensor with LED. I think I can push all of it out, maybe. I'm not sure which way to push. Oh, there we go, it's coming out. It does have a lithium battery inside. There we go. So that's out. That's just a tube. So we've got the wick. I see what happens. So we've got the wick that soaks up the flavor, which is still wet and I can still smell it. That's the heating coil in here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me use a torch. So it's dirty, but that's the heating coil. The wick is going through it. Typical setup, 2 wires going to a lithium battery and what looks like the sensor. So let's zoom a bit in and have a look inside what's happening here. So let me show you if I can get this off. There we go. So just I think it's just a wire wrapped around it. There we go. You can see that clearly now. That's made out of silicon. And let's get that thing of the battery. So here we have it. The positive, I'm not sure which one is positive. I assume it would be this one going to the controller, and that looks like a microphone, but it's not a microphone. That goes in, and then negative goes there as well, and then the output goes to the heating element, and the negative goes to heating element. So let me desolder the battery, and we'll have a look closer at this battery. Here's the battery. It is 3.7 volts, 900 milliamps. It's actually printed on here, but you can't really see that. It says BW 18350, and then 210621, 3.7 volts, 3.33 watts. So the battery, I haven't looked at the ends, so I'm just curious if it's got protection or something on it. It definitely looks like a lithium battery. Nope, that's sealed at this end, and I can already see it's sealed on the other end as well. So I'm going to stick it in the charger, and we'll see if I'm going to stick this in the charger, and we'll see if it'll charge. And then if it does charge, well, if it works out, which I don't see why not, we're going to stick it back in and see if it'll work again. I've charged the battery to 800 milliamps, as you can see. Sorry about that LCD. The battery is actually 900, but I think 800 would be alright just for now to test it out. So let's take it out. It is cool, absolutely cool, so since it's a brand new battery. Let's solder it back in there and see if it will work again. Battery is soldered, and this is the moment of truth. So I'm going to push that inside there. Push this in. And the cap. All right, let's give it a go. And the vape's working fine. As you can see, it's not much flavor. Oh yeah, I can taste the flavor now. So, single-use vapes can be either reused, or you can get the battery out of it, and the battery seems to be a really good battery, so I don't see why would people just, why would they even manufacture vapes like this. It's a aluminium tube. Very cool stuff. I'm sure you can make a torch out of it, even if you want to. So that's it. That's the vape done. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you would like to see another video about repacking the batteries, then click on this link above. That was me doing the Sony batteries. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that bell also. My name is Max. I will see you next time. Bye.